There's a special kind of magic that happens when you take your lunch outside. Forget the fluorescent lights and crowded delis. Today, our kitchen is right here, beside the gentle hum of the river. Because who really needs a deli when you've got a river, a perfect baguette, and a dream for the ultimate Italian sandwich? Let's build something incredible. The secret to a legendary sandwich starts with the foundation. We're talking about the bread. You want something with a soul, a crusty baguette or a rustic ciabatta, something that sings when you press it. Then, your supporting cast. A really good fruity olive oil and a swipe of grainy mustard for that surprising little kick. For our meats, we have delicate salty prosciutto and a robust peppery salami. For the cheese, a duo of sharp nutty provolone and its creamy mild counterpart, fresh mozzarella. To cut through that richness, we need greens. Peppery arugula is perfect. And for that sweet, smoky depth, roasted red peppers. Now, if you're going vegetarian, no problem at all. Swap the meats for some grilled eggplant and zucchini, or even some marinated artichoke hearts. It's just as delicious. All right, let's assemble. First, grab that crusty bread and tear it open. Don't be too precious about it. We're not looking for perfect slices here. This is rustic. Now, spread a thin layer of that good olive oil. Let it soak into all those nooks and crannies. This creates a barrier to keep the bread from getting soggy. On the other side, a confident swipe of grainy mustard. It's not just for flavor, but for that wonderful texture. Time for the heart of the sandwich. Layer on the prosciutto, then add the salami. And here's a key tip. Fold, don't just cram it in. We want to create pockets of air and texture, not a dense brick of meat. Next, the cheese. Add the sharp provolone for that savory depth, and then the fresh milky mozzarella for a creamy, cooling contrast. See how we're building layers of flavor and texture? Now for some freshness. Top it all with a cloud of peppery arugula for that signature bite. Then, toss on those sweet, smoky roasted red peppers. If you have a beautiful summer tomato, a few thin slices would be perfect for some extra juiciness. We're almost there. Let's season it. Sprinkle a pinch of good sea salt and a few generous cracks of black pepper. Finally, a little acid to tie it all together. Drizzle some balsamic for a touch of sweetness, or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness. Remember, balance is everything. Now carefully bring the two halves together. Press the sandwich gently. You're not trying to crush it, just introduce all the ingredients to each other. And the final pro move, wrap it tightly in parchment. This is crucial. It lets the flavors meld and makes it so much easier to eat later. Let it sit for a few minutes if you can resist. Okay, the hard work is done. Bring your blanket, find that perfect sunspot, and unroll. Before you dive in, just take a deep breath. Listen to the water. This is what it's all about. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. That first bite. You hear that? That's the sound of a perfect crunch. You bite into that crisp bread, then the savory, salty meat, the creamy cheese, and the bright, fresh greens. That right there is a picnic win. Quick, delicious, and totally unapologetically outdoorsy.